Hi, I'm Jim Atkinson, Managing Partner for Avidian Wealth Solutions. Today I'm speaking with Carter Blackburn, one of our younger advisors. We're going to learn about how Avidian helps him navigate all the nuances and challenges that come with growing a practice. Carter, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me, man.
I want to start out and ask you a little bit about being a younger advisor in this industry. It is difficult to attract clients. How are you doing it?
Yeah, so as you know, the average age in the industry is about 55 to 60. So coming into the industry years ago, I was wondering if I was going to have a hard time with this. But what I've found is that a lot of clients actually resonate with me being younger because during their most important time in their financial life, which is retirement, a lot of times they find that their advisor is also retiring. So for me, I'm able to say, listen, I'm at a firm that I'm going to be at for a long time, and I'm dedicated to serving you now and all the way through your retirement and afterwards. So it's worked really well from that perspective.
Do you utilize the Avidian approach talk at all, sort of the 5 pillars? And if so, how does that help you attract clients?
Yeah, so I do. There's a couple ways that I grow my business. Number one is just the traditional, always going to lunches, always going to breakfast, shaking hands. We have an incredible digital marketing presence, as you know. And so we get a lot of amazing families that call us and want to meet with somebody, and I get to talk to them. But to your point, that's been one of the most impactful ways that I've grown my business. So we have 5 pillars, right? These are the 5 areas where our clients see the most value: investment management, financial planning, tax strategy, estate planning, risk management. So when I explain that to a client, it's more of the family office experience. It's not just, hey, we can help you with some investments and maybe do a financial plan. So that's helped me a lot.
How is that helping you in this environment? So we've got a pretty challenging market.
Yep.
We're potentially going to a recession. It's pretty bumpy out there. How is that helping you navigate this market with your clients?
Yeah, that's a great question. So for me, when we focus on the family office experience, it doesn't just involve traditional investment management. So for example, we do a lot of private deals that have less correlation to the market. So right now, whereas the market's down 23, 24%, some of the deals we're doing are positive for the year. And then if you take financial planning, for example, just another pillar of the 5, instead of just focusing on what the market's doing, we're focusing on their goals, their abilities to achieve their goals, and regardless of what the market does, what's the plan? So those are just some of the attributes I focus on when it comes to those pillars.
So Carter, it's a challenging environment right now, and I want to get your perspective on RIA versus broker-dealer, because you had an offer to go broker-dealer.
Absolutely.
And you chose not to.
Yes.
And I wonder if these markets, from your perspective, have any impact on that decision, if it was the right decision or not.
Yeah, absolutely right decision. The best way for me to describe it to people is flexibility. Flexibility, and then next would probably be offering, and then levels of service. So when I got my first offer from a broker-dealer, the story I was told was essentially you can help with a couple investments, we have access to a little bit of financial planning, and that's it. Whereas over here, we can do all kinds of private deals and alternatives. We can really grow the experience a client's getting, more of the family office approach. And so for me in this environment, it's allowed me flexibility to use other tools and levers and leverage our team in a way to serve a client where regardless of what the market's doing, we can provide a really good level of service and also help them mitigate a lot of that risk.
You've had a tremendous level of success. You've done very well for a young advisor. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You've done really well. What do you envision for your future?
So that's a great question. I'm excited just to keep growing my practice here and really just sharing the story. So our story, I feel like, is very compelling. And I feel like the more we share it, the more we get to meet with other, not just great families that we can serve, but also great advisors who maybe they took a opportunity in a broker-dealer firm. Maybe they regret it now. Or maybe they've just always looked at the RIA space, the independent fiduciary space, and they said, I want to do this. Bring my clients over and serve them with more offerings. So for me, I just want to keep sharing the story, and it's exciting to see all the growth that's happening here and what we're doing.
It is exciting. It's exciting watching your career grow. Congratulations. Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you, man.